Hello and welcome to my switching flux alternator video. This is the part that I was trying to cast using thermite. I would never have been able to get it as good as this. I had designed some parts for a switching flux alternator in FreeCAD, uploaded these to the Armature website and ordered 5 of each. They look perfect to me and well packaged for shipping. The first piece out is the rotor. Looks like a 6-tooth sprocket for a chainsaw, which is what I modeled it on. The second piece is the armature. Both are CNC'd from mild steel as I need it to be magnetized. It will be difficult to wind the copper magnet wire onto a solid steel armature, but once that is done, it will be easier to align it more accurately into the housing. I will make a separate video on that. Switching flux alternators have only one major application, and that is in rockets to generate power from the exhaust gases for the onboard systems while in flight. The advantage of the switching flux alternator is that it has no coils on the rotor, which is just a solid piece of steel. This is a weak point for a car alternator, which tend to come apart above 18,000 RPM. Being able to withstand massive centrifugal forces at enormously high RPM due to its solid steel rotor eliminates the need to use a gearbox, which is a potential failure waiting to happen. All the copper windings are in the stator. Therefore, there are no slip rings or commutators to wear out and fail at very high RPMs. They are very robust. This makes a switching flux alternator a very good partner for a Tesla turbine, which is also very high RPM. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, you should smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.